All right, I'm opening up these headphones for the very first time. I will wear them tonight. I'm gonna go to the gym, and then I'll do a follow-up video and let you know my thoughts. Let's go ahead and look at these first. They're all black. This earpiece seems really, really soft. Just right off the bat. They go over the whole ear. I'm familiar with this setup here, so it's pretty easy. Similar setup to other headphones that I've had. This piece seems nice and thick, and this the texture on this will stick. Like if you're wearing a hat or even on your head with your hair, but if you're wearing a hat mostly, if it's not super slick, I like that, because if it's super slick, it can, it can roll a little bit. So I like a little bit of a texture there, so it'll kind of stick to the hat or your head. So here's the look. These come with some instructions, and this is the cord. One of these will be your power cord, and this will be to hook up to your phone if you don't want to use the Bluetooth. So I will do a follow-up video and let you know how they fit, and also how they sound working out at the gym. See you in a bit. All right, so I'm back. And I wore these tonight at the gym. Easy setup, hook up to my Bluetooth. Very simple. I run everything from the Bluetooth, so I don't use any of the controls on the headphones. These nice and soft, and as I mentioned before, this right here has a little texture to it. So I wear a hat, and with the little texture, it doesn't roll around. These are nice and snug on my head. They fit good, they feel good. They go over the whole ear, even though I'm not one to stick them over my ear. I kind of stick them, I let myself hear a little bit, but that's just my own preference. But they do go over the whole ear. This piece is nice and thick. I like it thick like that. Like I really don't like the real thin ones, unless they're like really, really tight. But this kind of helps keep everything where you want it. And like I said, there's a little texture here that kind of keeps it stuck to where it's at. I like these a lot. They feel good, sound good. 2 thumbs up. I hope this helps, and I hope you have yourself a wonderful day.